Automatic carrying mode. Remove the display's battery cover and install the batteries. 01. Starts flashing, indicating pairing mode. Open the first sensor's battery cover with a flathead screwdriver. Pull out the insulation tab. The red light will flash. Put the 01 sticker on the paired sensor. Repeat the same steps to pair the second sensor. Press set to exit pairing. Insert the sensor into the soil at a depth between 0.8 and 4 inches. Check the display for the reading. How to install the battery. Gently pry open the battery cover with the flathead screwdriver to access the battery compartment. Insert the AAA batteries according to the polarity markings plus. Slide the battery cover along the guide until fully closed. The indicator light will briefly illuminate to confirm success. Reattach the battery cover. Installation complete.